Alright, before we get into the video, I just want to remind you that these tests were performed in a very controlled scientific testing environment with all necessary safety precautions taken. Let's get on with the video. Alrighty, for those of you who have seen my last video, I'll be just playing a clip right here of it. But basically what I did is I built kind of like a mini potato gun that shot mini potatoes. But what I want to do today is I want to build a full-size potato gun with a 2-inch barrel that shoots full-size potatoes, same igniter system and all that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the thing now. Now that I'm done building it, I'm going to head outside and test fire it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.